And this is the boys' new favorite spot to play. Hi, Logan. Michael. Hey, Michael. Hi. Hi, Michael. Oh. Oh no. I see a fall coming on.
Michael.
There's
Logan.
Daddy.
Hi.
Say hi. Uh-oh. Here comes another fall. Can you get
Good
down?
job. Good job.
Logan, hi. Haha. You really like to play with this hippo. Maybe Daddy will make it go for you.
Hungry, hungry hippo.
Logan! Say wee! Hi! Oh, down you go. I think it's Michael's turn. And it's Michael's turn. Hi! He says, why isn't it moving? Michael! What do you think? This is how we stay entertained in a blizzard. Hi, Michael.